Hello and welcome to this video. This is just going to be probably a quick fingerboarding video and see if I can see what I can do. Hopefully it'll be something somewhat interesting. And then try out this new ramp I made, which it went together better the other day. The tape helps it transition and helps it keep it from sliding. Well, that was the best I could do. Hope it was mildly entertaining. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!